What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be checking out the analytics of my video that got 1,000 views on my main account, Alfie_White. We're going to be showing you behind the scenes, how I make different things for it, and more. So make sure to stay tuned and subscribed. So we are here in YouTube Studio. And if we check onto our content and go onto normal videos, you could see that I got a video with 1,000 views. If you check my most recent video, I had 262, so this is massive. So let's go on to it, and we're going to have a look at some of the analytics. So in terms of views, we had a massive spike 3 days in, and we started getting loads and loads of views on the 10th of January, and it just kept climbing for the next few days, until it started slowing down now, as we're at almost 1.1 thousand. So that's what happened there. 3 days in, we went up. In the first 24 hours, however, we only had like one spike where we got around about 57. I was like, whoa, this is popping off already. Then we just stayed neutral until a few days later when it happened. And in the first week, we had a massive spike on the 10th of January, and it's settled back down now. So this is some very interesting data. This is how people found the video. So most people found it from browsing features, suggested videos and channel pages, but only 0.1% of the views from it actually came from searching. 0.2 from playlists, because it's only in one playlist. 0.2 from external, 0.6 from direct or unknown, and 0.6 from other YouTube features. But in the first hour, all of it was from suggested videos. Now, only one view actually came from the Google app instead of YouTube, or possibly the browser. My video actually gave Slep, Downfall of Roblox Most Disturbing Game video 2 extra views, along with some old videos from Nightfox, Terabyte Games, Coilist, and more. A few extra views, which is super exciting. Now, here's what everything fights for within YouTube: retention. Now, even after the coming up, not many people clicked off, only a few. Then after my whole intro, some people still stayed, but then I started stuttering in the video. I got some amazing feedback from this viewer on the screen, so I'll make sure I improve my videos in the future. But that's where, as you can see here, quite a lot of people dropped off, and then it just started slowly dying down. But for the 6 people that stayed till the end, they actually gave me quite a few gifts for my next video. Here's how you could be part of one of my videos. Firstly, subscribe to my channel. Secondly, like the video. And then go on to Pet Simulator 99. Send mail to Prince Baloo 2, and you will be featured in my next video about opening mail. Now, 5 of the views were from returning people, which is probably the people that come and watch my live streams and everything. And almost all of the views were actually from brand new viewers, which is amazing. I've gained quite a few subscribers from there. And majority of my viewers were 18 to 24 years old, or at least that's what they put down. Now, I don't know how truthful this is, but apparently every single person that watched that video was male. But if you were a female and you watched this video, make sure you let me know in the comments. But 10.9%, this is quite interesting, actually watched my videos with subtitles. Now, I don't go ahead and write all the subtitles. YouTube does it for me. So let me know in the comments, should I start writing subtitles for all my videos? Now, my likes versus dislikes, I got 3 dislikes and 13 likes, 81.2%. The 3 dislikes probably from people that disagreed with the people that were featured in the video, because I tried to keep it neutral during the video. I was saying, yes, it's true, that's false, trying to keep everything in tame. But the reason my channel average is so high, and this one wasn't, is because they don't really get many views, so everyone really likes it anyway that actually watched it. Now, in terms of watch time, 18.6 hours of watch time was here. That's 17.6 more than usual, so it's normally between 0 and 1 hour of watch time, and I've now got 18.6 just on this video, which is amazing. Now, over the past 28 days, you could see all of these videos with 13 views, 45 views. That's massive normally for me. And then suddenly my video got 1,000 views. Now, I think quite a lot of that was actually thanks to the thumbnail. So I'm going to go over and talk about how I make some of the thumbnails for this video and future videos that I'm currently working on. To start with, I went to this Roblox game called Scene Posers. So let me just load in. I put the scene to a green screen. I changed the pose to the running. Changed this front one to my username, PrinceBaloo2. And then change the back one into Preston's username, which if you don't know, he creates the game Pet Simulator 99. I hid the UI, I hid the leaderboard, I took a screenshot of this and removed the background using AI. This is not sponsored, but the site I use is remove.bg, so make sure to check them out if you want to remove the background of your images using artificial intelligence. Then I went into the Canva app, which is an amazing app, and I searched up YouTube thumbnail, and then sometimes I use the templates from here, but most often I click that plus icon and it'll create a brand new blank thumbnail. Then I go into my camera roll because I downloaded a picture of the background of Pet Simulator 99, and I click add to page. Then I can hide this. Now I spread this out across the entire page. I added the text I wanted, but I actually added it twice. I put in drama. I put it in red. Scaled it up by, let's say, a lot. Then clicked on this effects button, but you can't put multiple effects on. So I put this shadow. Changed some of these icons. And then I duplicated it. Put it directly on top, but then gave it an outline instead. White. So then I had an outline of white and a shadow of red, so it looked really nice. Then what I did is I added the no background running we got from earlier. Added it there. And then I added a few more things that you could see on the thumbnail on my channel, like the New Year Clan Battle. And one thing I always do, I do it on this channel, I do it on my main channel, not on my no context channel. But I go down, but I go up, I put in this image and make it small. So this is my profile picture for my main channel. For this channel, I wouldn't put that in, I put this in. I placed the More Alfie White channel icon and put it in the corner. So here is where I first made my description. Now, this first bit stayed exactly the same. Today I'm discussing the drama in the Pet Simulator 99 community, yada yada yada. The channels mentioned, I imported all of them into it when I copied the description and pasted it into the YouTube studio. Then for links, I actually did change this up a little bit. For the X, formerly Twitter, and Roblox group, that stayed, but I also put Duolingo in because if you didn't know, on this channel, make sure to subscribe. I post Duolingo content, but I thought, do you know what? I don't actually do Duolingo on this channel, so I removed it. These chapters, these all stayed exactly the same. Now, when I was editing the video, I lost a subscriber, so I changed subscribe to the channel so you won't miss my next video too.
I lost a subscriber the other day, so to make up for it, I need everyone to smash the subscribe button.
Anyway, that is all for this video, so make sure to smash subscribe to More Alfie White. Also, check the description of all of my videos because there'll be a hint at the very bottom of it to the next video. Goodbye.